So I just found another work from home opportunity that is an entry-level job that can pay you $19.50 per hour. And here's the thing, this is an entry-level job, and $19.50 per hour won't make you a multi-millionaire, it won't make you rich, but it's a good start, especially if you have no experience and you're new to working remotely. So this is a great opportunity. And here's the thing, they actually pay you for training. In the job listing, it says that training is paid. So while you're actually learning how to do the job, they're paying you. So it's a win-win. Also, again, you can make $19.50 per hour. And I also found some other jobs at this company that were a bit more advanced, that required certain certifications. And while I was going through the job listings, I saw things like needs this license and this particular license 100% paid for. So they'll actually pay for a lot of stuff or the prerequisites for this job. So this is a fantastic opportunity if you're looking for a work from home job. So that's what I'm going to be talking about in this video. And also, thanks for commenting down below and letting me know how much you were able to make from your work from home jobs. It's helping me a lot when I'm going out here and trying to find higher paying jobs. So that said, keep on commenting down below. Let me know the highest you've ever been paid for a remote work from home position. And also tell me what the job was. And if you can disclose this info, tell me what the company was as well, so I can go out here and find higher paying jobs and make videos about these jobs. Now guys, if you're new here, my name is Ian. On this channel, I talk about ways to, make money, ways to save money, ways to invest money, bank accounts, jobs, everything personal finance related. So be sure to give the video a thumbs up. I'll really appreciate it. Also, be sure to subscribe. And also, when you guys are subscribing, be sure to hit the notification bell, because that's the only way that you'll get the updates of when I post new videos. And you definitely want to be the first to see these videos of these jobs, because as soon as they're posted, people apply and then the positions are either filled or closed. So you want to be the first to be alerted when I find a new job. Also, if you guys want to talk to me one-on-one, you can message me on Instagram. Link is down below, or I'll put it here on the screen. You can message me there. But with that said, let's jump right into this video. And this company that is hiring for entry-level jobs that can pay you $19.50 per hour. Now, the company that I want to talk about today is going to be this company right here. It's the Sitel Group, and I hope I'm pronouncing that right. But here we can see they say deliver exceptional experiences while working from home. And I'll leave the link down below as always, so you guys can easily find this and apply for these jobs. Now let's just read a little bit about the company. It says, our work from home opportunities offer a flexible work-life balance and allow you to earn income while saving money and time on commute. Now, if you guys have never worked from home before, two of the biggest expenses you're gonna have with your traditional job are transportation expenses and also buying food while you're at work. When you're working from home, you don't have these expenses. You're not spending hundreds of dollars every single month, whether it's on transportation or fuel, and you're not spending hundreds of dollars every single month eating out as well. Also, you don't need to buy new clothes because you can pretty much just wear whatever we want. You're working from your home office, so that is great. Now it says with Sitel, a global leader in customer experience management, you can deliver exceptional experiences for our clients' customers, all from the comfort of your own home. So that is what this company is about. Now, here's some of the benefits working here. Flexible schedules, right? You can have full-time or part-time opportunities, work-life balance, no commute, and also a relaxed dress code. You're working from home, so you can pretty much wear whatever you want. Now, most of the jobs here are gonna be kind of the same. So it says, as a Sitel work from home virtual associate, you will work with some of the world's best brands to support customers with billing inquiries, account or product questions, service orders, installation and scheduling, troubleshooting, and more via phone, email, chat, and social media. Calls are routed to your home office, but don't worry, we provide you with a world-class paid training to get started. So this is what I was talking about before. They actually pay to train you, so you go into the job knowing what to do. So even if you're entry level, you've never had a job before, you can still apply here and you can get the job because they're actually gonna train you on what to do. So it's a really good deal. Now, you're gonna need some equipment for this job because this is work from home. So here is what you're gonna need. You're gonna need a desktop or laptop. You can use your MacBook if you have, or actually, no, you can't use a MacBook. So MacBooks, tablets, Chromebooks, Androids are not compatible. You need a Windows PC or you need a laptop. You also need Windows 10 or higher. If you have Windows 7 or something or 8, you can upgrade for free. I think you can upgrade to Windows 11 for free. So that should be easy. You also need everything to be wired. So they don't want you to have like a wireless keyboard or a wireless mouse or a wireless headset. They want everything to be wired. So USB stuff. If you don't have this, you can go on Amazon and buy it. This stuff is pretty cheap. You can find that on Amazon. Also, I'll probably leave links down below to some of these stuff on Amazon for like a, cost-effective keyboard, mouse, and headset. So you guys can click on those links and easily find this stuff. Also, you need a separate 19-inch monitor with, this is the resolution, and this does not include the primary monitor. So basically, they want you to have 2 monitors to work with. Also, I'll leave a link down below to a cost-effective 19-inch monitor with this resolution. So you guys can easily find that and you can buy it, get it shipped to you really easy, right? Again, paid training, so you can go into this job making the investment, knowing that you're getting something back. Also, they want you to have antivirus. I mean, you can find a free antivirus online, or you can have just Windows Defender or Essentials. This comes with your PC. So that is the requirements, right? Now for internet requirements, here's what they want. They want you to have a 5 megabit download speed and upload speed of 3 megabits. Now this is pretty low. I'm sure wherever it is that you live, you have a much higher speed. For instance, where I live, I chose the cheapest internet package and it's a 50 megabit. So that's what, 10 times this. And my upload, I think, is like around 10, right? So I think wherever you are, you should have this. Also, they want you to have, like a stable internet connection. So if you have like a hotspot or something like that, they don't want it. They want you to actually have like a wired in internet connection. Also, it has to be DSL or broadband at the minimum. They don't want satellite internet. Satellite internet is kind of like jittery. It may be working. If it's a cloudy day, then it may not be so good, so they don't want that stuff. And they also want you to hardwire your PC into your home router. Now, for all this stuff, I'll leave links down below where you can find the cheapest stuff on Amazon for this, so you guys can easily find it if you're interested in applying for these jobs. Now let's actually go and look at the actual jobs here, right? So you hit find remote jobs or find work from home jobs, and here are all the jobs that are listed here. Now from time to time, there will be different jobs, so you want to check here like every week for different jobs. But the cool thing here is that they actually have a department that is called work at home. So that's kind of cool. Now, the job I'm going to be talking about, and by the way, you can apply for any of these jobs. Most of them are entry level, and the requirements, if they require licenses, they will pay for it for you. So you can do that. But let's look at the remote customer support agent, which is going to be like the easiest one to get into, the most basic entry or entry level friendly job, right? So here's the job listing. As it says, it's virtual, any location in the US, and this is a customer service or remote customer support agent. And I'll get into the salary in a bit to show you guys how you can make $19.50 per hour here. But this is what you're going to be doing. Now, the good thing here is that all the calls here are inbound calls only. So this is not like a sales position where they're going to give you like a long list of leads and then you have to call people and you got to try to make a sale for a commission. That is not it. You're getting inbound calls only. So this is kind of like a stable salary. Also, this is a really good job. Look, they got 100% paid professional training. They're also giving you medical, dental, and vision insurance. You also get an employee assistance program, 401k retirement plan with company match. Most companies are giving around 4%. So if you contribute 4% of your salary to your 401k plan, they're gonna add 4%, and that's free money. So this is also going to be in addition to the $19.50 per hour that you're going to be making here. You also get employee discounts, referral bonuses, you get a wellness program, educational benefits, and you get internal mobility. This is very important. Here they say 84%, which is really close to 100. 84% off or managers are promoted within. That is really important, guys. So this looks like an opportunity where you can get in here in an entry-level position and you can work your way up. Now, here are the requirements. Flexibility to the needs of the business. This could go towards like scheduling, so you got to be flexible with your scheduling to take like different shifts. Also, you have to have a high school diploma or the equivalent. You need to be the minimum age required for you to work, which is 18 years. You need to be able to type 25 words per minute. I mean, this may sound like a lot, but if you actually start typing, 25 words per minute is not a lot. Also, you have to bring your own device. We just went through, you know, you have to have a PC or computer, and you have to have all that stuff. You have to have your own monitor. I'm gonna be leaving links down below to cost-effective equipment that you can get from Amazon. Also, you need a home office, which is a noise and distraction-free environment, right? So that is the stuff that you're gonna need. Also, you need a desk and a ergonomic chair. I'll also leave links to that because I actually use that stuff here and I buy everything for cheap from Amazon. So I'll leave the links to everything. So here it says skills that you need: effective verbal and written communication skills, exceptional customer service background. Now remember, this is an entry-level position. They're paying you to train you how to do the job. So even if you don't have this type of experience, if you've never worked in customer service before, you can still get this job. Also, interacting effectively with a variety of customers, passion to independently meet and exceed goals, ready to help and provide a memorable and delightful experience. So entry-level position, and again, grow as you go. They tend to promote from within, so great place to work. Now guys, if you have any experience working with this company, or you know anyone that works at this company, comment down below. Let me know what the experience was like. Let me know the position. Let me know how much you made per hour. And if you still work there, still comment. This will help me while I'm in my search for better paying or higher paying jobs. It'll also help other people that come across this video to see if they really want to apply for this position and what the work life and culture is working at this company. Now, let's go ahead and find the salaries on Indeed. So on Indeed, remote customer service representative for Sitel Group, on average pays you around $39,000 per year. This is the lowest of all the averages here. They got like 41,000, 43,000, but the range is like $34,000 to $46,000, right? Now that works out, I mean, $39,000 or $40,000 works out to be around $18, or sorry, works out to be $19.50 per hour, closer to like that $20 per hour mark. Now, when you add all the benefits like dental, health insurance, PTO, 401k, the total compensation may be a bit more than that. So again, great entry-level position if you're looking for a remote work from home job, you don't have a ton of experience, or you're new to this. This is a great entry-level position to get into. $19.50 an hour is really good, and you get paid training. So you don't really need to have any experience. You don't need to know how to do the job. They'll provide the training. It's free or not free. It's paid. You get paid while you're in training. And this is how you could kickstart your work from home lifestyle. So guys, comment down below. Let me know what you think about this job. Let me know if you've ever worked here before, what the experience was like. Also, guys, comment down below. Let me know the highest you've ever been paid working from home remotely so I can find a higher paying and better job. So with all that said, all the best. Thanks for watching. I hope you guys found your dream job or find your dream remote work from home job. I hope this info was very valuable and someone can take this info, get this job and make some money. And I will see you guys very soon in the next one.